This is Timothy Stanfield here at the Convention Center. We just done the prayer breakfast with Noah Jones, and I'm here with Bishop Owens, and you're watching Testimony TV. How you doing this day?
I'm doing great, and how you doing?
I'm doing fine. Give them a little bit of what you've been through.
Sure, I was born and raised in Washington, D.C. I'm the product of a broken home. My father left my mother when I was 13. I was the oldest of 5, and I have a testimony that I'm a survivor. God brought me through. I'm a proud native of Washington, D.C., but I was raised in the ghetto, came up, and my single mother did her best to raise us, first of all, in the fear and admiration of the Lord. I would not have been able to do it had the Lord not been on my side. I started preaching when I was 15 years old and pastoring the church that I now pastor since I was 19. And I thank God that I started with 7 members, and now I have over 7,000. And I give God all the glory, all the honor, and all the praise. There's nobody who helped me to be what I am but the Lord. I married the right person. I'm the proud husband of co-pastor Susie Owens, and we have 2 natural children, 5 grandsons, and we have been responsible for the care and nurture of 17 foster sons and daughters who've lived in our home. When Bishop Noah Jones preached this morning about using your talent, whether it's 5, 2, or 1, I thank God that He's given me one gift and I was able to work that one. And I want to inspire those who are watching and listening, whatever God has given you to do, do it with all your might. If He's only given you one thing, don't be envious or jealous of somebody who can do 5, 3, 4 things, but work your one. And if you work your one to the glory of God, He will multiply that and strengthen that, and you will be everything that God planned for you to be.
Now, that was a mouthful, and I don't know about you. Your testimony inspired me, and I'm sure it inspired others. Now, you got to give a shout out to Testimony TV.
A great shout out to Testimony TV. I pray your success and that God will elevate you and raise you up, and you will be a landmark for TV ministry. You have my prayers and my blessing and my best wishes.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it, and God bless you in everything you do. And this is just the first. What's going to happen is we're going to meet again, and this is the first time meeting. We're going to meet again, and we're going to go in depth. We're going to go in depth. We're going to sit down and just talk about everything. So thank you very much for your support, and God bless you and your family.
God bless you too. Okay. Thank you, sir.